Well, morning guys. It's day one of the cut, so I've just woke up. It's around 7 o'clock in the morning. Starting just with a quick cup of coffee. Gonna hold off for breakfast. I've got a bit of work to do on the laptop, so that should take an hour and a half. Take us about 8:30. I'm gonna have an omelette with a few more egg whites than yolks in for breakfast. For now, I'm just gonna have a multivitamin and a fish oil and try and get this bottle of water into me to get the morning started. I'll update you through the day with the meals that I'm eating, and I'll catch up with you then. Howdy guys, time for meal number one of the day. We've got four egg omelette. It's 2 yolks, 4 egg whites, a few tomatoes, bit of onion, 50 grams of ham, and all I've done there is I've just chopped a bit of cucumber on the side, as you can see. Cup of green tea. That'll tide me over till dinner. I'll be training about 2 o'clock today, so another meal before then. That'll probably still be low carb. That'll take me to later on, and hopefully we can start throwing some carbs in. So, right, I'm going to enjoy this. Hey guys, just checking in again. We're at meal number 2 of the day. What I've got for you, I've got here some vegetable stir fry with some chicken. So I'm going to have that now just before I go to the gym. I'm going to be at the gym in the next hour or so. Still just drinking the water. I've got set out my supplements, my protein, and what I'm going to eat straight away post workout. I'm going to show you that now. Give you a quick look at my food, and then I'm going to crack on with the day. So I'll give you a look at that now. So what we've got, a bit of chicken and vegetable stir fry. Obviously still just drinking the water. Pre-workout that I use at the minute is Warrior Rage. Not really a massive fan, if I'm totally honest. Big fan of C4. I think that's what I'm going to go back to. I've tried a few pre-workouts, and to be honest, none of them seem to work as good as C4, so I'm going to give that another blast. Give it a try if you've not tried it. Like I say, I wouldn't Warrior Rage. Yeah, it's not great really, guys. I've got my whey protein, 2 scoops of that in there. 2 scoops of that. In there is some instant BCAAs and some glutamine. That's my pre-workout there, ready mixed, ready to go. And then with my shake, I'm going to have a bagel straight after my training. From there, it'll be home. I'll knock another meal up then. So I'll check in then, yeah? I think that's everything. See you later. Sayonara. Hey guys, right, so we've just smashed the gym, all went well. I don't know if I mentioned earlier on meal 2 what time I had it, so just a little update on that. I think it was about 12:30, between 12:30 and 1, anyway, I had meal 2. So, just finished the gym, onto my shake before I get home and knock another meal up. Feeling good, I was supposed to do a bit of calves and arms today, because I did an upper body and lower body session, but missed some. Only did 1 set on calves, so I thought I'd hammer them today. Went well, but when I went in there, I felt strong, so I knocked some bench press and some military press in there as well, just to get some big body movements in, get them calories burning. Felt good, felt strong. So yeah, I've got my bagel there. Gonna eat that now. Yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys in a bit for, well, we'll call it meal number 4. I don't know if I'd class this as a meal, but post-workout nutrition, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so I'm going to smash that and I'll catch you soon. Howdy. No, sorry about messing about there, guys. Right. So I'm a bit busy at the minute. I've got stuff to do. I've got to go and see the young'un at my dad's. He stays there on a Friday. And I've got to, well, get some more minutes on the sunbed because they ran out. So what I'm going to do is we are just, I don't know if you can see over there, we are just at Aldi. So I'm going to go and grab something. Just take a look for something half healthy, as long as it fits the macros. Yeah, so I'm going to run in there and get them, and I'll update you on what I buy and where we're at. So, yeah, sayonara once again. Well, back. So we've done Aldi. It was nice, quick and easy. All I picked up, what is it? Chicken salad sandwich with a bit of mayonnaise, and then 40 grams of carbs there. It's only got 9 grams of fat, bit too, well, it's not too much, it'd be alright. I can fit that in my macros anyway. So, signing, because it's only 25 grams of protein in a pack, so I thought if I get some of this wafer thin ham, chuck a few slices of that in each sandwich, bit more protein in it, and then just grab a bottle of water, and that's about it. So, yeah, peace out, guys. Hello again, just getting back to you here. It's meal number 5. What we're going to have is, I've organised some sweet potato chips. That's just a little bit of olive oil, a few herbs, sweet potato. We're going to have 120 grams of them. On our meal, we've got some chicken, and we're just going to do that in a bit of flour with some paprika, some egg, and then the breadcrumbs. We're going to bake that. And then we're just going to chuck some mixed salad, bit of carrot and stuff like that to bulk it out with some greens. Right, so we've got a tray of chicken. All I've done there is just oiled some foil. That's ready to go in the oven. I'm going to tidy this mess up, get all this in, and I'll show you the meal when it's finished. Right, we're back. The food's about ready, so I'm going to grab that out for you. Let's have a quick look at this. We'll start off with the sweet potato chips. I failed to mention earlier, by the way, that it's for 2 of us. I know it looked a lot on the tray. When I played the video back, our lass reminded me of that. So anyway, what I've got here, I've got scales set up, plate on there, zeroed. All we're going to do is chuck the chips on. Right, 122 grams. That's my plate. And then see what we've got left. It should be around about the same, I think. Should only get to 112. But I'm a bigger guy, Anna, so forgive me for that. You forgive us, won't you? Sorry, I'm making these videos, you know, but I'm just having a bit of fun. Still haven't quite got over the fact that I'm talking to a bloody laptop yet. Right, chicken, look at that. Lovely and crispy in there. Right, chicken. How many grams of chicken in the oven? Right, let's see how much I have on first then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one there. Oh, bang on 150. 150 grams of the chicken. See how that's tracked to the macros as well, guys. 114 grams. She also doesn't eat salad, so here goes my plate. Should we get that in there? Can you see? Some chips, lovely chicken, load of salad in there, looking very nice. All I'll do with that is a bit of light mayonnaise and extra light mayonnaise and a bit of peri peri sauce on there. Mix it up together. It makes like a bit like a chipotle sauce. Our lass's meal. It does look a bit more bland and a bit plain, but she enjoys it anyway. So yeah. Well, anyway, I've put that into my fitness pal and got my macros for the day. I'm still short. I'm short by about 50 grams of carbs, but with it getting later on in the night, I'll probably just end up eating a tin or two of tuna before I go to bed. I'd rather get the protein, to be honest, than have too many carbs before I go to sleep. Not that you can't have carbs before bed, like, that's not what I'm saying. But yeah, so where I'm at, I've had about 220 grams of protein. I've had 160 grams of carbs and about 55 grams of fat. That's my day so far. Like I say, I've got about 50 grams of carbs left, but I'm gonna have protein instead. So my protein will probably be about 250 by the time I go to bed. I won't put that on video, there's no need to, but anyway, I've enjoyed my day. That's a full day of eating. I hope you guys can take little bits and bobs from it, and please take from it that at any moment, if you've got to change something during the day, like there I had to pop to Aldi earlier on because I didn't have a chance to come home and make a meal, just do that. Just try and make the right decisions when you're in there. It's not about trying too hard and prepping every meal that you make. It's just about making the right decisions at the right times and putting your nutrients at the right kind of time of the day. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there, guys. Thanks for watching. Once again, if you like the video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, plenty more coming. Sayonara once again.